In this video, I will show you how to make Google Docs editable by anyone. Let's get started. To grant access to Google Docs to anyone, you will see here option share. When you place a pointer on this blue icon, you will see that it shows private to only me. That means only I can edit this document at present. But to share and make it editable to anyone, click on the share button and then it will ask for naming the document. Let's say here I will enter my name, then click on save option and now you will see this dashboard. Now under the dashboard, if you click on this settings icon, you will see two options. Editors can change permission and share. Viewers and commenters can see the option to download, print and copy. If you want to make changes here, you can just untick here and go back. Now in this add people and group, you can just insert the email ID of the person to whom you want to share this document. Or if you want to share a link, then click on change to anyone with the link and you will see these options now, anyone with the link, and it shows here what will happen. So if we click on this option, this viewer means the person can only view the document, commenter means he can comment on the document, and at last you will see here option editor. Editor means the person can make changes in the document and can save the document. So we have to select the editor option. Now you can copy this link and share with anyone and the person can edit and save the Google Docs as needed. If this video solved your problem, subscribe in return and don't forget to check out this useful video shown on screen to know more about Google Docs. See you again in the next video.